let's learn definition of modular arithmetic. Definition of modular arithmetic. Modular arithmetic is a system of arithmetic when numbers are rotated round a cycle. Modular arithmetic is a system of arithmetic where numbers are rotated round a cycle. Under modular arithmetic, with a specific mode, mode n, the numbers used are 0, 1, 2, n minus 1, which are known as residues. For example, mode 4. Let's look at mode 4 and look at what we are saying. Now, modular arithmetic is a system of arithmetic where numbers are rotated round a circle. Now, if you're looking at mode 4, we have a circle. Numbers are rotated round the circle. And we know that the only digits you can have are 0 to n minus 1. That is, in this mode 4, the only possible digits we can have are 0 to 3. So, for this circle, I'm going to measure it round with 1, 2, 3. Now, if I'm to count again, since we are rotating numbers around this specific circle, since these are the only digits you can have, so going round, I'll be having 4, I'll be having 5 like this, I'll be having 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now here we write it like this. 7 here is equivalent to 3 in mode 4. Now, why am I bringing this out? We said modular arithmetic is a system of arithmetic where numbers are rotated round a circle. Under modular arithmetic mode n, for this example, we are looking at mode 4. We said the number used are 0 to n minus 1. Now, 0 to our n here is 4. 4 minus 1 here is 3. So that's it, the digits to be having are 0 to 3. But that does not mean you cannot have a number higher than 4. If you have a number higher than 4, that means we have to convert it to give you just digits between 0 to 3. And that's why we have 7 is equivalent to 3 in mode 4, where this symbol is called congruence. And means equal to. So in mode 4, if you have 9 in mode 4, it's equivalent to 1 in mode 4. Another name we can give modular arithmetic is called the remainder arithmetic. And why do we call it the remainder arithmetic? If you look at this circle for the mode 4, look at 9. We said 9 is congruent to 1. How do they get that? Without you having to draw the circle. That means you have to divide by 4 and take the remainder. When we divide 9 by 4, you have 2 remainder 1. So that's why we are having 9 being congruent to 1, and modular arithmetic is sometimes referred to as remainder arithmetic. Thank you.